How to reset Duolingo account password. So if you want to reset Duolingo account password, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Duolingo, and after searching go to www.duolingo.com and click on that, and it will directly take you to the web page or the website. And now if you don't have an account, then you can click on get started and you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then click on this which says I already have an account, and here you have to first enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password. But if you want to reset your password, then you have to click on forgot, which is on the right side of password. And if you forgot your password and if you want to reset it, then you have to first enter your email address which you have used to create your Duolingo account. And after entering your email address, click on submit. And now you have to check your email. And after opening your email, you will receive a mail from Duolingo to reset your password. So you have to click on reset password. And here you have to create a new password on the first blank. On the next blank, you have to confirm your new password by retyping it. And after typing your new password 2 times, then you have to click on submit. And that's it. That's how you reset your password on Duolingo. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.